I got my fish from California.
Dedeshi. Chicken and peaches makes a great flavor combination, pairing sweet, savoury and tart flavours together. First, let's marinate the chicken. I'm using boneless chicken thigh that I have cut into 4 and I prepared the spice blend. I'm going to mix the yogurt and the dry spices to form a marinade paste. So we will leave it for half an hour or up to overnight to marinate. Ding 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 ding. 30 minutes later, we are now going to sear the chicken. So I'm using a medium-high heat. The important tip, do not overcrowd the pan when you're searing the chicken. Leave some space in between so it doesn't create steam. Once the pan is hot, you can add in the chicken. After I flip the chicken, I'm gonna lower the heat slightly to a medium-low heat. This enables the meat side to cook all the way through. I would say almost 3/4 cooked because later we're gonna finish this chicken on top of the peaches. So once the chicken is 3/4 cooked, I'm gonna set it aside to another tray and I'll continue to sear the next batch. I'm using fresh chicken, hence you can see a lot of fat is rendered out as compared to using a frozen chicken. And then we will set this aside. So I'm using yellow peaches that I've removed the stone and cut into wedges. You have to use a firm and crisp peach. Avoid using something that is too soft or overripe because after you cook it, it might tend to be mushy. Next, I'm adding the dry spices, cinnamon, cardamom, a bit of chili powder. So just gently cook them for about 5 minutes because you still want to retain that nice texture and not having something too mushy. The sugar will give a nice extra sweetness to this particular dish. If not, the peaches will be like a bit too tart. You can actually substitute with honey or any other alternative as well. At this stage, you see the sugar starting to bubble and caramelize and it's coating the peaches. I'll take out the spices because you don't want to end up biting on a piece of cardamom. Ah, there you are. Mission accomplished. I always like to use a spoon so you can extract almost all the juices out. We will add in the chicken that we have seared earlier. We put it back just to warm it through. I'll just give it a gentle swirl to let the glaze emulsify. And we just leave it about 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat.
One eternity later.
And now, it is time to serve. Since I make this at home all the time, I'll get Dixon to come and have a taste. Dixon!
Oh my god, looks so good. So how should I try this? Should I just take a bit of chicken?
Yeah, chicken with a bit of the sauce and a peach. Nice.
Oh my god, it's damn chill. The peach tartness and the Indian spices flavor go so well together, yeah.
Thank you for trying the dish.
Hey, thank you for cooking, man. I love it.
I hope you give this dish a try. If you like to see more recipes or if you have any suggestions on what you like to see me cook next, let me know in the comments. Bye-bye. Dedeshi.